Heather, just explaining one little thing that I just realized that we did wrong today. I am so sorry about that, but it is only a small mistake. You should be able to adjust it. So if you have the mean that's here, then within one standard deviation, either above or below the mean, you should have 68% of people. I told you 34, that's wrong, it's 68. 34 is the percentage of people on either side. Yeah, 34 is the percentage of people above and below, a standard deviation above and a standard deviation of below. 68% of people are within one standard deviation of the mean. Within two standard deviations of the mean, 1, 2, we have 95% of people. And within 3 standard deviations of the mean, we have 97.1% of people. I didn't see any of your homework problems that had 97.1 at all, so I don't think your teacher is too worried about that. I think it's just 68% and 95%. But again, Kate, I'm going to go over that problem on your packet. You might need to go back and fix a few of those. I'm sorry, but at least it should give you more practice doing it on your own. If you have any questions, please call me. But if you go back to your problem that had, it said between scores between 43 and 73, it said that 68% of people scored between 43 and 73. So if you know you have 68% of people between 43 and 73, you find your mean by adding them together. 43 plus 73 divided by 2 is 58. And then, you know, since 68% of people are within one standard deviation of the mean. So you know your standard deviation is just from there to there. That's your standard deviation. So 43 plus 15 equals 58, and 58 plus 15 equals 73. So your standard deviation is equal to 15. If the problem had said between 10 and, let's say 50 people, let's say the problem said that 95% of people scored between 10 and 50. So you know that's 95% of people. So 95% of people fall within 2 standard deviations of the mean, not 3 like I told you. I'm sorry, that was wrong. It's 2. So we have 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations that 95% of people have to fall within. And that can be above 1, 2, or below 1, 2. So to find our mean, first of all, 50 plus 10 is 60, divided by 2 is 30. And then to find the standard deviation, we just have to find the middle between 10 and 30, and 30 and 50. So if we do 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10 is 40. And then we have to divide that by 4. Remember, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lengths that are all equal. That equals 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that way you would know that 68% of people are within 20 and 40. I hope that makes sense. I am so sorry about that, and good luck with your test.